birthday. I'm hoping that it's gonna be a really nice night. It's gonna be our night here. We're gonna spend a night here and then we're going to check out tomorrow. But I'm gonna carry you guys along. And yeah, just waiting for Hakeem to come back up. We had to park the car. I got a rose, really, really pretty. It smells amazing. It's like really good.
Yeah, the airport lobby.
Yeah, so this is the birthday boy. Happy birthday. You remember the hotel? Yeah, it's really nice. You remember the hotel I was telling you about that I worked at for a day?
For a day?
Yeah. Remember I literally worked at for a day. This is it.
This?
But it wasn't like this. It was like decorated so much. Cause I just resigned. I just didn't come back. Yeah.
Come here, fuck.
Yeah, well, and they have their own dolphin cove, but I don't think we're going to do that because we've been to dolphin cove before and it's like a, yeah. So we literally to like, well, we need more than a day. So we're only spending the night, but we can like come back. Can literally come back. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to try it. What I'm excited for is to like eat. I'm very hungry. No, they haven't. They haven't. But it's fine. I just want to find a restaurant that's like something. Because I didn't eat all day and yesterday either. Well, I ate yesterday. I'm sure they have like stuff. Yeah, this like I'm sure they have like stuff. But yeah, I'm excited. Oh yeah? Okay. So what was the card wasn't charged? Oh, okay. Kingston. Alright. Yeah.
We're going to the pizza?
Oh, we're going to go to the room now. Yeah. So we just get out to the way. Not really.
Straight up to the end.
Yeah.
Make a right turn, elevator on your left. Press 14 inside anyone to go on the 14th floor. So it's on this one and then room 60.
Okay.
Alright?
Oh, geez.
So be there shortly.
Oh, okay. Also, we'll go ahead. Alright, thank you. Yeah, guys, so wanted to get a nice view.
You guys got drink already?
No, but
Pineapple juice?
we're good, man. We're good. We're good. Because we're just going to go to the room and then, yeah, and then just eat. So, thank you. Yo, guys, everybody here is so nice. I don't even know. They're like really nice, right? Alright.
This is it, right?
This is a pizza place.
You sure?
Yeah.
The cafe?
Oh, it's probably the cafe. This is the pizza area. Alright, so I'm just gonna get pizza because I am starving and I want pizza right now. So they have vegetarian pizza, which are more than like we'll just have. I think I'll just get like a little slice, right? So I'm gonna get a pizza. Hi, hello. Sorry. Can I get a slice of vegetable pizza, please? Yeah, this one. Thank you so much. Yeah, it smells good. This is it.
What's this?
This is the vegetable one. Slice of that as well, please.
Yeah, one vegetarian and one. This is what?
Vegetarian.
And another vegetarian. Another vegetarian as well.
So you getting big plates and me get little plate.
Because it's one.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright. This looks amazing.
Cheese is
so good. This is so pretty, guys. This is like pastry patch on streams. Hello. Oh, they have. I need a slice of vanilla cake.
everything of vanilla juice.
Yeah.
Go on, try them.
The truffle nuts. Oh, they have ice cream here. Oh, look here, birthday cake ice cream.
I should try that.
Yeah, we should. gonna get birthday cake ice cream. A coconut cake, please.
Want to take my picture too, pretty girl?
Say hi. Can I taste the? Can I taste the You want the dark one?
Yeah.
Can I get a dark truffle?
Dark chocolate?
Yeah, you can put it on this. And one of the oranges, please.
Want it on display?
Yeah, man, put everything on. Guys, the ice cream tastes amazing. Let me taste about the ice cream. Guys, the ice cream. Okay, it's so good. That's amazing. Like, my sugar is gonna go up. Yeah, I'm just getting some treats. And the size of pizza, I think that should hold us until I come back downstairs. I got coconut cake.
Okay.
Should have got a slice of vanilla to go taste that. Alright, thank you so much. Alright. Alright, so this is the plate of treats.
You remember the direction?
Oh yeah, sure. This is the cake and stuff. Have everything? Bye, thank you. Alright, so we're going to the room now. Oh, we got our treats. Alright. I'm excited about my treats. I'm like here, like, it tastes one of the truffle balls. Really, Hakeem?
Dark chocolate.
Really?
Mary the food.
Everything here, 16. Which direction is that? This way. No, this way. It's at the end. Yeah. Oh, this is it. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, but
16?
Hi. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ooh. This is nice. Ooh, it smells amazing. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah. All right, so we enter from here. Hi. And this is the bathroom. Wow. This bathroom is nice. It's a nice bathroom. We have some wine. Here we are. We have a little balcony here. Ooh. Okay. Somebody knocking? Hi, hello. we beat you.
Yeah.
Really? Ooh, that's a fully stocked fridge. Forgot to show. The fridge is like fully stocked with all this stuff. Oh, juice boxes. Okay. Oh, we got nuts. Huh? Yes, the rollers, the carry-ons. Then we have a tea station set up here. Oh, look at all the alcohol that we will not be drinking.
And if you guys need help with anything at all,
Yes.
you can dial 0 on the telephone.
Right,
I
thank
have a
you.
fantastic vacation.
Thank
It's a
you so
pleasure.
much. Time to eat. Oh, the pizza there.
Yeah, where is that? Yeah. Is that tote bag?
Oh, that's cute. That's a cute bag. The pizza tastes nice?
Where's the one?
It's still.
Hey, boy, this feels up.
Mmm. Oh, cute. Mmm.
Is this on?
I believe so. Guys, the pizza is amazing. If you watched so far and you haven't hit like as yet, please hit like and subscribe if you have not already. Welcome to Moon Palace Jamaica.
Amazing.
It's
so
really
far.
nice, yeah.
So far.
This is our first time being here. Well, my second. No, I came here before as a child. Oh, Hakeem got this.
Okay.
It's a happy birthday pin. I came here before as a child. Long time ago, but it was completely different. It wasn't Moon Palace. I think it was Jamaica Grand. I'm gonna taste the cake.
The wave thing.
Yeah.
That one.
You're really going to do that?
That's one of the main things.
It's a lot of, the icing is thick. Like the icing to cake ratio is a little more than I would usually do. Oh, now to try this thing. I don't know what this is. I feel like this vlog has been only eating so far. But I'm gonna try this thing. I think it's chocolate. I don't know. Oh. I can't awful.
So ice cream?
It's like a mousse thing. It's good though. Alright guys, so even though we're here, it's a Friday, I'm still working. But it's fine.
Chemical observation?
Hakeem took the day though.
Sorry.
Huh?
Observation about this hotel.
What?
I hardly see white people.
Really?
No, I in the lobby.
Well, no, because it's low season, you know.
Yeah, but
I think there are a lot of locals here.
I don't think it's only locals. And you on a Friday you didn't match a kid?
Yeah, locals. We're here.
Yeah, but we turn again.
You took the day.
Like even in my pool, when I see one white person. One of the only hotels I've been to in Jamaica where
It's predominantly
it's
black.
Even if they're
Predominantly us.
they're black people, it's a case where it's half and half or more.
I get you.
Even the regular ones, even like the what do you call it? Not Rio. Royalton and them sitting there. You see some white people here and there. But that's like nothing one white couple or white people.
Yeah, you're right, you know. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna answer some emails and I think we're gonna go and get something to eat. But yeah.
Magic show tonight.
Really? We could go to that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's go to that. Magic show.
Yeah, so it's nice of her guys.
Yeah, I think I sent it out for you that you're liking it.
Kim did their thing.
You're like walking around bouncing.
Kim did her thing as usual. Kim always do her thing. So I'm really enjoying it so far. So we're gonna go for a walk now.
Yeah, love it. Yeah. And check out the property and get more food because I'm still hungry. I haven't eaten all day. Wanna get Momo tonight?
What?
Momo.
Oh, you want to
It's Asian. Yeah, just in case. You want to look at the menu? So I'm thinking this restaurant.
We should have looked at all the menus now.
Yeah.
Or the reservation.
Oh, I have the camera phone. Yeah. So I think you can make reservations through the app. Yeah. Alright, so it may be between Momo and buffet area. But I'm going to buffet now. I want the buffet open. I feel like it's still open. Because I want
pizza over there, so yeah.
Yeah, because I want something like else. I don't know, I'm so hungry. What is this? What is that? I can't read it.
Nor.
Oh, probably a nightclub.
Nor.
Like, I want some food. So we're following this guy to figure out where the buffet is. Well, on the South Tower side. Yeah. Yeah, from that side. Oh. Alright, thank you. Yay. This is nice. This is a staircase. It's grand, even though it's like inside. Yeah. Very pretty. Ta-da. I'm gonna get a little bit of rice and peas. They have rice and peas. Thank you. You're welcome. A little bit of rice and peas. And then this is fish. This is fish, so I'm gonna get some fish. A piece of fish. That looks good. Hakeem was forced.
I didn't want it.
Sorry, he didn't want it, but the lady saw him and
I'm like, oh, there's no naan, so I don't want to eat it. She's like, I can go make it for you.
she made the naan for him fresh. It's crazy. We'll taste it and see what it's like. That's it. I just got this, but I'm waiting for a little bit of pasta. Yeah.
Right, bread girl?
Yeah, it's kind of hard. I'll take a watch it. Oh, I can eat it up. Please.
Hey.
Hi. What's that?
The trust is no. You know what I say? No, but it's a drink of the day.
Drink of the day, you know? Okay.
What's that?
It's apple.
Apple?
Yeah.
I want juice.
You want juice? You have anything natural?
Can I get pineapple juice? Yeah, pineapple.
You guys getting it before or just
We're staying. We're gonna eat at Alright, so guys, we have to use the app to like make reservations, things like that. Imagine if somebody is not tech savvy though. Imagine if somebody is not tech savvy though, like an older person. Yes, they probably have to go guest relations or call somebody. So I'm filling out the app, like I had to log into the app, so that's how you make like your reservations and things like that. So they have your information and the room you're in and all that stuff. And they just plan dinner, so now we're gonna try and plan dinner because we need to figure out, I think we wanna eat at the, well, we know we wanna eat at the Italian restaurant. We are 2 people and we want a place for dinner today. That's so cute, like a little AI vibe. Alright, so they have these different restaurants. So you have these different restaurants. I think we're going for gondola. This one. Yeah. 720. It was the last one. It was the last one. So we're gonna eat at gondola tonight. So yeah, this hotel is not as big as I thought it was. Like it's actually walkable and it's reasonably walkable. Like it's not that bad. It's like it's big, but it's not like Ocean Inn baby. It's like good big, the right size. So
They have one thing I appreciate about the spaces.
yeah,
They're very niche.
yeah,
They're very
nice.
curated. So even the spa, and there wasn't
yes.
even a sign. We just were just walking.
We just ended up in there.
and
It's so funny.
We were transported. Just
It
walking.
smells
over.
amazing.
Yeah, everywhere smells amazing. Even some hotels or some places you go to where it's carpeted and so on.
Yeah, and it
Tends
smells
to
funky.
trap smells and everything. That's not
smell
what we
nice.
experience right here. Each restaurant has a different vibe from what we see.
Yeah.
Like the setup. And even, well, unfortunately the flow rider, which is one of the attractions I came here
Yeah,
for.
it's like the surfing thing.
Yeah, it's not
not
working. But I'll be back. Definitely.
Yeah, no, this like let me tell you, I feel like this hotel is like a nice little mid-ground. Like you have a hotel like Azul in a Negril that's small, and then you have like hotels like Eden Bay or Royal that are like huge. And this one is like a nice little middle ground. I feel like we're like a middle ground. We're like Goldilocks right now of hotels. feel like we're actually resort people now. I realize it like
Oh, you resort for here.
I resort to here.
Yeah, because others, I think you get the resort type of. Because even I was saying to the Kimberley when we just arrived. There are certain places that villas and hotels that we've gone to where
And they're nice.
as soon as you enter you feel relaxed. It wasn't the same when I came here because it felt a little, you know, like you go to the airport.
Yeah, there was a lot of people checking out.
That is how it felt. But then again, because of how big the resort is marketed and everything, it is expected. So if that is the type of vibe, you know, like boutique hotels you go to, you know
This is like a boutique resort hotel.
So once you pass that stage of checking in, then the relaxation can start. Set up both relaxation and also the vibes. Because while we're walking past the pool, the vibes are going on.
But you have a spot like you don't have to go there. You can find a spot that you're like if you're more chill like us.
You can go to the pier.
You can go to the pier. Like we literally went out there. My camera battery died, so I wasn't able to show you guys. But they have a dolphin cove here. We literally sat out like
On the pier.
On the pier watching the dolphins swim.
They were practicing.
They were practicing their routine watching the dolphins, but I feel like that was really cute. Like it was just so calming. Oh, we saw a lionfish for the first time. There's a lionfish here. Yeah. Well, we saw one. We can only account for the one. But like it's a nice resort. It's nice, you know, and the people here are friendly. Like
very
everybody
helpful.
Friendly and helpful. Like when you talk to somebody, they must smile with you. I don't know if them pay them extra to smile or something, but they naturally like they feel warm. Yeah. So far.
We've been here for 3 hours and we feel
the vibe.
So gondola it is at 7:20
and then we want to catch the magic show. So I think that gives us enough time to catch the magic show at 9.
I really appreciate the effort Kim.
Feeling 33.
Yeah, really appreciate the effort Kim put into booking this place. It really it's a place that I've wanted to come for a little while now, but one thing or the other we've gone to other places and not come here.
Because most times we don't spend our money. Well, I mean most times we don't.
If we spend money, we spend it on traveling overseas.
And we're trying to like chill on that.
Yeah.
No, we're not trying to chill on that.
We're trying to do the best of both.
Not like we do activities here, but to stay here, like I feel like because
it feels as if we're being cute, booking an expensive place to stay in a place where we live.
In a place exactly, because we literally spend so much money to make sure that our home is comfortable enough.
Yeah.
So most times we'll stay somewhere that's like very cheap and just spend money on like excursions and dinners and stuff. But like now I feel like, especially with this, like you want to try and see the nice places here.
Sandal South Coast next?
And if we get to Sandal South Coast, unless they talk to me about that.
Bungalow next?
No, that's expensive. That's too, like there's expensive and there's too expensive. Like I think we can reasonably.
It's an experience. So
I mean, and because I grew up going to hotels. Like my daddy works in the hotel industry. He's recently retired. So I grew up going and I just always like experience hotels and stuff. So now that as a married couple now, I feel like it's nice for us to do that stuff. But it's just that we've put our efforts into traveling overseas. So we're gonna try and balance it a little bit more. And just figure it out, and stay places that are extra nice, not just roughing it all the time. But tomorrow we'll be roughing it because tomorrow we are camping. Yay! That's gonna be fun. First time camping, so that's gonna be fun.
Yeah. Tomorrow is a juxtaposition or
of an experience,
exact opposite of what we're experiencing today. But it's welcome because it's something that I think I look forward to.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice.
Because it's not a case where I see it as a chore. It is an experience. As we've always talked about camping.
Yeah, but we've never done it.
Yeah, we've never done it. So
I mean, we've stayed in rustic places.
Probably camping a yard now in Jamaica. We probably love it, so we can go say, oh, let's go and camp in South America or so.
Like backpacking. Can you imagine me backpacking through South America? That would be fun.
Let us see. Yeah.
I think you would be able to manage that, but I don't know if I'd be able to.
I think it will be a nice experience.
So
but anyway, guys.
Yeah.
Gone $1 next.
Yeah, see you there. Awesome. May I have the last name? Hi. At Kingston? Yeah. For 2 persons? Awesome. $494 for dietary restrictions? Fantastic.
Welcome to the Grandmother Restaurant. How are you?
Thank you. I'm good. I'm good. Yes.
So my name
Soda sounds nice.
Challenge fruit soda.
Yeah. And then I think my husband will want the limoncello. Is it
It's basically a shot.
it's a shot? Oh, okay, okay. Alright, I'll take the grapefruit soda. Basically tea.
Basically, like,
Yeah, okay.
not exactly.
A little different?
Juice, it's a little more bitter on the bitter side.
Oh, okay.
So grapefruit juice and soda water.
Okay, but it's a mocktail.
Yes.
This one's a mocktail. Alright, yeah, I guess we'll take 2 of those and we'll take it from there.
Alright, so no wine, right?
No, do you serve non-alcoholic wine? No, I don't know why hotels don't serve non-alcoholic wine. It's crazy. Okay, yeah, we'll start with that.
No wine.
No wine. Well, alright, maybe just a little bit. We can get red.
Red wine?
Yeah, why not?
Alright.
We'll sip it. So he's back. Happy birthday again. Yeah. Alright, so guys, yeah. I think what I'm gonna have is the mussels with white wine. And then I think the ricotta and cream and cheese. Yes. Yeah, man. I think we're ready. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I'm ready with everything. I don't think anything else. Oh, but the pomodoro linguine would be good enough. I love linguine. Okay. All right. I want the mussels in white wine. Yeah. And then let me see, the ricotta and spinach cannelloni. Yes. But which one? The pomodoro linguine. That's vegan. Not vegan. That's vegetarian. No. So it's yeah. I think I'm gonna stick with the ricotta and the spinach cannelloni. Yeah.
I've been eating the spaghetti meatballs.
You should get it. Yeah. Or the lasagna. Cause you haven't had a good lasagna in a while.
That's on the premise side.
Yeah.
I overlooked it, you know.
You should get that because you haven't had one in a
I
while.
overlooked it. Yeah, that's my favorite. I'll have lasagna.
So that's it?
The other one.
Mint.
Mint. Yeah, lemonade.
So,
Mint, but no. When you really too you just alcohol.
Yeah, I get you.
You just want to taste this.
Yeah.
See what I need to see. Basil passion fruit ice sorbet, and this is a cannelloni. Wait, is it a cannelloni? I don't remember. It's something. Is that good? Is it good? I want to taste it.
supposed to take it up. Ooh, stuck to it. I feel like you might like that one more. Very interesting flavor. With sorbet. Ooh. Or no, I like that now. Oh, that's nice. That's good.
No. No harmony. All right, it's cool, harmony. I'm gonna turn you into a believer tonight. Are you ready? Stay right there. So remember, harmony do not believe in magic, so I'm gonna get right here the invisible ball. You ready, harmony? Watch this. Watch me, harmony. This is called the invisible ball.
Can I? Oh, wait, you can use it?
Watch me.
Where am I going to swim?
You see anything?
The same?
You see anything?
Okay.
Huh? Can you catch it? What? You saw something? No? It's right here. Now,
Came out of her mouth? Did it come out of her mouth?
Harmony is right here.
Wow.
Harmony, keep your eyes on the ball. Ready? Watch. Where is the ball? Point to it. No, it's right here.
Wow. Your face though, you're like, no. Hakeem is so
Where I told you so.
I don't believe.
I told you I'm the Lord of... You know what?
Dwight, I try figure it out, man. Do it first, Dwight.
All right.
Figure it out.
Why you keep reaching for rings and this don't lick us yet? Alright, you know what? Here, take it off.
That's crazy.
So ladies and gentlemen, the amazing Dwight! Come on, Dwight. He's inside your hand right now.
He's like immature.
He's looking, ladies and gentlemen. He's not figuring anything. Take it off, Dwight. Nothing? Yes. All right. Okay.
Me not believe. Me not believe it. Me go investigate. Me go investigate. Something na something. Something na something and me go find out. Me go page them tonight and me go find out who I go on cause something na something. Something na something came and me not like the feeling me have. Me not take them smell like me.
Yeah, right? But that was fun, guys. That was fun. We've never watched a magic show before, so that was pretty fun. We're just walking around. Ooh, this is the games arcade.
It smells nice.
Ooh, it smells amazing. Oh wow, that smells amazing. No, it's so sweet. It smells like syrup, like bulk syrup, but bubblegum syrup. That's amazing. Amazing in here. Ooh, they got walking. Where keep going? They have Walking Dead. Do we want to play this? Oh, there's a kid in there. guys, I just love, like, we've just been walking around and like looking at the different spaces right here. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, so I just love how there's like different spaces and we're just kind of walking around. The mirrors, this is a huge mirror. Yeah, hi. So we have pizza, to get a pizza and some fries. Yay, cheesecake! Oh, it's a nice cheese. What kind of grape? Is that a crust? This very interesting looking crust. Is this like a face? It's not a face. And that's food. Smells really food. So yours. Good morning. It's the morning time. We're up. It's after 9. We slept so soundly. We're heading for breakfast now. Let me just show you guys this view again. It's morning time. Happy Saturday. It's our final day here. So we're just gonna do our thing. Check out this outfit for breakfast. Simple, and my headband. It's my first time wearing this headband. I got it and I haven't worn it yet, but it's kind of cute. It's kind of have a little vibe. So yeah, I think I'm gonna add. Maybe I think I am gonna actually put in earrings because now that I'm looking at myself, no, I feel it. I feel like I need them. But I'll just grab them and come. It's not gonna take long. All right, so I'll see you guys at breakfast. Yay! Okay, we made it down. I think breakfast goes off at 9:30, but we should be good. Oh, yeah. All right, so here we are. Hi, morning. Good. Thank you. Yes, 2:14:16 at Kingston.
Get together.
Yeah, we'll meet back over there. All right, so what the plates? The line is crazy long, guys, but we are gonna make it work. Pick up a plate. Oh, this nice plate. It's green. Right, so let's start from here. This is Jamaican side. Station. Alright guys, so this is breakfast. The line is crazy up there. I had to fight for these 2 little pieces of hash brown, but they're making more right now. This is breakfast. So I got pancakes. This is a vanilla cake, they say, but it looks really good and moist. This is hash browns. Got an omelette, and then I also got this plate with some ackee and saltfish, plantain, fried plantain, bread and cheese, pepper jack cheese, love pepper jack cheese, and some pieces of banana. This is Hakeem's omelette that I got for him, and then this is another plate. We're really stocking up, and then that's Hakeem's plate right there with the stuff on it. So we is the spa. Just wanted to show you the spa. Ooh, it smells like fresh water in here. Yeah. So it's gorgeous in here. We don't have any time to take advantage, but it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Hakeem is over there. Oh, around there? Oh, nice.
What's that?
Probably like nails or so. I'm sure.
You can never see someone is coming.
Oh, thank you. So that was it. That was the spa. The center, guys. Yeah. I need purple water. Gave me a tea bag to try because she said it's really good. Alright guys, so hello. Yeah. Oh, they have little chairs. The beach, guys. We have not swimming. It's nice.
Girl, my love goes each day, baby.
Alright guys, so we are going to head back up to the room now and pack up, get ready, leave because we have to head to our camping trip. So I don't think I'm gonna cut the vlogs. It's just gonna be one vlog.
Hit the road.
We're going
You know that TikTok?
No. No, I'm not on your side of TikTok.
No, man. It's so popular.
You have to go find it and show me.
It's like this old man come up to one guy a fish and said, who gave you permission to fish here? And it's like, must say, nobody. It's like, did Trey Taylor tell you to fish here? And the guy said, no, I thought it was state property. And it's like, state? This right here? State? Hit the road, dude.
I thought it was state property.
State.
Yeah.
This?
Yeah.
State.
It ain't.
Hit the road, dude. This ain't no state property. This is private property.
Hit the road, and it's like, the guy, I said, yeah, I'm just fishing here. He's like, you gotta get permission from Trey Taylor. He's my son. And then it's like, I said, you know what? Give me a name. And then it's like, I talk to him and say, yeah, Trey Taylor told me if you didn't have permission here, lock him up.
Lock 'em up.
Oh man.
Lock him up. You don't hear me before?
No.
Give me this. Up.
Lock 'em up.
Give me so funny.
I don't have TikTok, remember?
I'll go on YouTube.
Oh. Yeah guys, so we have to pack up because we're heading out to go camping. So that's going to be part 2 of this vlog. We'll just have it in one vlog so you don't have to go searching for part 2. We will pick up back with you guys once we check out on and reach. Yeah, when we reach the camping grounds. We're going to Hollywell. So yeah, we're going to Hollywell and that's just gonna be nice and relaxing. Oh, and the AC. Oh my god, it's so dark now, you guys can't see me. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna check back in with you guys when we arrive at Holywell. So this is us bye from Moon Palace. Such a great time here. Very nice time, very relaxing time. Got to eat all the food and feel pampered and relaxed. You feel relaxed, baby?
Yeah.
And pampered?
Yeah, very much.
Very much. So we're gonna head on out now. Bye. See you soon.